I surrender everything to you. Your mercy keeps me alive. Your blood has rescued me. When darkness tried to pull me down and fear surrounded all around, you held my hand through every storm. Your love became my hiding home. I was broken, full of pain, lost inside the pouring rain, but your blood washed over me. Now my soul has been set free. Every chain is falling now, every burden leaves somehow. By your sacrifice alone, I finally found my home. Lord, I am covered by your blood, saved by mercy, grace, and love. No weapon formed against me stands. You are holding my life in your hands. And tears keep falling from my eyes, I hear your voice inside my soul, reminding me you're in control. Your cross became my victory. Your wounds rewrote my destiny. Now I walk in holy light, covered safely through the night. Your blood protects me. Your blood restores.